My mother-in-law moved from Canada. She had no credit. She did these two things, and her credit score popped to 750 in less than 6 months. Number one, she got 3 credit cards. You need new credit starting to report. That means the card company is sending your account info to the credit bureaus every month. Without that reporting, your score won't go up. She picked any 3 credit cards that she could get approved for. These are not credit cards you're going to have for the rest of your life. Get 3 credit cards, charge one thing a month, pay it off. One thing a month, pay it off. Do that every single month. And number 2, get some type of installment line reporting. This is like a furniture loan or a credit rebuilder loan or something that's showing an installment payment each and every month for the same amount. And it's reporting as an installment line. If you do those 2 things and you have no credit, you're going to be at a 750 credit score very, very quickly. Now, what happens if you don't have a clean credit report? What if you've had a bankruptcy? What if you've had a short sale, a foreclosure? How do you get your credit scored from 400 to 700 the fastest way with a brutal past? You got to make sure the errors are off your credit report. First of all, you pull your credit report. Compare the credit report to what's actual. Is everything on there yours? Are there any late payments that shouldn't be reporting? If you filed bankruptcy, is the bankruptcy showing up? Does it show that your credit cards have been discharged? Do you have collections? Are there multiple collections? Most important thing, get the errors off your credit report. As a side note, if you file bankruptcy, we have law firms that will actually review your credit report for free. So the first step is to get the errors off your credit report. You can do that yourself, or if you file bankruptcy, you can have a lawyer do it for free. Number 2, you need new credit around the bad credit. A lot of people are confused. They think they need a clean credit report, a credit report with no lates and no errors to have a high credit score. That's not the case. If you were late, then keep the late payment on your credit report. If you had a bankruptcy, the bankruptcy is going to stay on your credit report. If you had a foreclosure, the foreclosure is going to stay on your credit report. But don't stress about it. What you're going to do is build new credit around the bankruptcy or the late payments or the foreclosure. And you're going to do that, first of all, by getting 3 credit cards, new credit cards. These are secured cards or credit cards for people with bad credit. And I know they have high interest rates. I know they're high annual fees, but don't worry about it. You're going to have these credit cards for a year, 2 years until your credit score gets to 720 or higher. Okay. So that's step number 2. You get 3 new credit cards. Couple points I want to point out. If you're married, don't get credit together. Do not apply as co-borrowers. Get 3 for the husband, 3 for the wife. Also, apply for 3 credit cards the same exact day. If you get denied one or get denied a second one, don't worry about it. Just apply and move on. Number 3, you need an installment line reporting, the same monthly payment each month for the life of the loan or for the term. You can get a furniture loan. You can get a car loan. But we don't recommend going out and buying something just because. I mean, find the most inexpensive way to get a monthly reporting. We offer a credit rebuilder program. It's a monthly fee that only lasts for as long as you need it. If your credit score gets to 720 in 6 months, you can cancel then. But it's an easy way to get a monthly reporting to the bureaus as an installment line to rebuild your credit. If you do those 3 things, you will have a 720 credit score in 12 to 24 months, regardless of where your credit score is. And yes, you can move from 400 to a 720 credit score that quick.